Semua Participant, Dewan Johari, and I'm from 5XMT1. In this video, I want to share you about the future technologies of fighter jet, which is Eurofighter Typhoon.
The future technologies are in connectivity. Eurofighter Typhoon is already highly connected with all NATO assets and will continue to develop and enhance this capability for the future battle space. Next is survival. Improved survival will mean taking advantage of all sensors in the platform and enhances the defensive edge subsystem, mission management subsystem to ensure the lowest observable profile and lowest possible emission in any dynamic scenario. Next is complementary escort jamming. In certain contaminated environments, electronic warfare is the best capability of choice to enhance your mission success. The ability to jam enemy radar will allow you to get close enough to the target to be able to use weapons like Storm Shadow and Taurus. Next is network-enabled weapons. A clear future requirement will be able to either carry network-enabled weapon or lead them if they launched by a different asset. The same idea follow with the UAV element. Future platform may need to remotely control a UAV or swarm of UAVs. Lastly, sheer weapon load. Eurofighter already score massively in this respect because of its huge and versatile weapon load, coupled with incredible performance which give the ability to transport a large weapon load.
who deliver the wide-ranging capabilities while at the same time delivering unparalleled fleet effectiveness. That's all from me. Thank you.